In continuation of the last video I left till this much due to some problem. So let's see, OA equal to root 2 and AB equal to 1. Then what will happen? You see, OB square equal to OA square plus AB square implies OB square equal to root 2 square plus 1 square. OB square equal to 2 plus 1 implies OB equal to root 3. Then you see, once again, take that same. If you take the compass, you draw the arc, take the length of this much by your compass and draw the arc, then it will come here. Okay? This is your A1, implies OA1 equal to root 3. Okay? Clear? So this is how to represent the root 3 on a number line. Okay? Now you have to do exercise question number exercise 1.2 question number 5, 1.2 question number 3. Question number 3, there is another method also there, but that method we will not do now because already I have shown two methods, how to do shortcut method as well as how to do by in a longer way as well. So last one, actually it is given in the book. If you want to see, you can see. Otherwise next time I will show. Today I will not show more than this. Now because one more we have to represent on a number line, that is, now this one you got a whole number on under the radical sign. Now next we will do that fractional number under the radical sign. Let's see. Okay. So I hope all of you have copied, and then please proceed for the next. Okay. See, in your exercise, exercise 1.3 is a different thing. But what I ask you, that fractional number that is given in exercise 1.5, because better to finish at a time. So that's the reason. Exercise 1.5 question number 4. Exercise 1.5 question number 4. This is whole number under the radical sign represent on a number line. Now fractional number under the radical sign represent on a number line. Okay. So let's see. Remember that is exercise 1.5 question number 5. I'll not do that one. I'll do something else. Let's see. Root over 3.7 represent root 3.7 on a number line. Here, most important factor is that the number line, that figure, the way you will draw the figure, way you will calculate, consider the values, that is the most important factor. Okay, so let's see, start with this. First of all, you draw a right angle. First of all, you draw this much. Okay, so let's see. Draw a line. Draw. Okay. From here till this much, say OA. This is OA. OA equal to 3.7. OA equal to 3.7. Okay. Then let's see. Next, you take one more line. Take one more line. That is one more centimeter. Suppose this is B. AB equal to 1. Now ultimately, what is the length of OB? OB equal to 4.7, because this is 0. Okay. Now take the midpoint of OB. Now take the midpoint of OB. How to take out the midpoint? Do you remember that perpendicular bisector of a line? Last year you got, previous year also you got perpendicular bisector of a line. if we draw a perpendicular bisector of a line, then we will get a midpoint. Perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector, see, I will show you here. Suppose this is a line AB. Now, take the measurement of AB, either equal to AB or more than half of AB. And then you take the compass, draw one arc this side, one arc this side. Once again with the same process, draw one arc this side, another arc this side, and then you draw. Then this will be more or less your midpoint. Okay. So same way here also you have to draw. So suppose this is the midpoint, then draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Okay. Draw a semicircle. Drawn? Okay, we have drawn a semicircle. Now, at A, draw a perpendicular line. At A, draw a perpendicular line. Drawn? This is perpendicular. Now, this is your midpoint. Am I correct? Join this midpoint. Join this midpoint. Suppose this is E and this is C. Now you see one thing. OC equal to CB equal to how much? What is the total length? 4.7 by 2. 4.7 by 2. Because OC and OB is nothing but half of OB. OC and OB is nothing but half of AB. OC equal to OB equal to half of OB. Got it? Now next one. Next you see OC gone, CB gone. Now next is that what is the value of CA? Now CA equal to CB minus AB. Now CB equal to how much? 4.7 by 2. And AB is how much? AB is 1 minus 1. Equal to how much? 4.7 minus 2 divided by 2 equal to 2.7 by 2. So one thing you can see, whatever value is there, add 1 to that divided by 2. We'll get this half. And this half is nothing but CE also. This half is nothing but CE also. So we can write CE equal to, why? Do you know why? CB, OC equal to CB equal to CE. Why? Because the radius of the circle. Because the radius of the circle. This is gone. Now next you see. So if whatever is there, plus 1. Now if I'll ask you that suppose 0.7.5, then what will be that? It will be 8.5 by 2. It will be 8.5 by 2. If I'll ask you 6.3, root over 6.3, then what it will be that? It will be 7.3 by 2. 7.3 by 2. Then next one you see, here we got 2.7 by 2. 2.7 by 2. 2.7 by 2. That means 3.7 minus 1 equal to 2.7. Then if this is the one, then what it will be? It will be 6.5 by 2. If I ask 6.3, then what it will be there? It will be 5.3 by 2. Is it clear to you? Then remaining, now last time we calculate the length of the hypotenuse. Now length of the hypotenuse we got, base we got, what we did not get? That altitude value we did not get. Altitude we have to calculate. So this part is the most important factor here. To represent fractional irrational number on the number line, that this calculation is the most important. This calculation. And what is OA? OA is nothing but 3.7. AB equal to 1 more centimeter you take every time. That is fixed. If it will be 7.5, then OA will be 7.5. But some of you may have a question that whether it should be exactly 7.5. No, not necessary. Suppose if I ask you that 11.5, will it be possible? It will be too long, so not possible. Then what you will do? We'll take that approximate value only. Okay, according to our choice. Then, but we will represent actually that value only. Then you see, then this one will be always 1. This will be always 1. Okay, there will be no confusion. And then you have to draw, take out the midpoint, and then you have to draw the semicircle. Then you have to draw the perpendicular. These are the steps. Clear? First, what is that? Whatever length is there, that one you have to draw first. Second, 1 centimeter you have to take every time. Third, you have to take out the midpoint. Fourth, you have to draw a semicircle. Fifth, we have to draw a perpendicular or at A, which will intersect the semicircle at E. Sixth, you have to join CE. Seventh, you have to calculate the values, and eighth is also you have to calculate the values. And then, as usual, that is that Pythagoras theorem. Now, according to the Pythagoras theorem, you see CA square plus AE square equal to CE square. So ultimately, what is that? CA square, did you get? Yes, 2.7. 2.7 by 2 whole square plus AE square equal to this one you did not get, so this one is there, 4.7 by 2 whole square. So this is the one. Okay, now you calculate what is that. AE square equal to 4.7 by 2 whole square minus 2.7 by 2 whole square. Okay, this is the one. Then, so I please copy it first, and then I'll wrap this part, and then we'll do the remaining part. Okay, do it first. I hope all of you have copied. Now next let's see. So this calculation I'll draw. Then you see implies AE square equal to 4.7 by 2 plus 2.7 by 2, and then 4.7 by 2 minus 2.7 by 2. Then what is that? AE square equal to, so 2, 6, 7.4, 7.4 by 2 into 2 by 2. So ultimately AE square equal to 3.7. 3.7 you got? 3.7? Then you see 3.7. 3.7 implies AE square. AE equal to root over 3.7. Now, last time we took the length of hypotenuse. This time we will take the length of AE. So then we will draw. And this will be your implies CA1 equal to 3.7. CA1 equal to 3.7. Okay? So once again I'll just repeat. First, you have to draw this OA, whatever will be given under the radical sign. Next, AB will be 1, always, whatever may be the question. Then you have to take the midpoint of this OB. Then you draw the semicircle. Complete the semicircle. The next, you have to draw perpendicular at A. We have drawn the perpendicular at A. And then next, what you have to do? We have to calculate the value of OC, CB, CE. All are the radii of the circle. So all are the radii of the circle. That means what? OB is the diameter, half of the diameter. So 4.7 by 2. Because OA equal to 3.7 plus 1. So 4.7 by 2. Then next you have to calculate CE. Now CA. CA equal to CB. This part minus this. This is how much? This is 1. So 1. So calculate. Then we will get 2.7 by 2. And then, so we got CE, we got CA, and AE is missing. So we will calculate by Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem. Okay? Clear? So I'll give you homework. So represent 6.3 and root over 7.5 on a number line. Also exercise 1.5 question number 1.5 question number, just a minute. 1.5 question number 4. Question number 4. This will be your homework. You have to do by yourself. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Then till then, bye bye. And remember, as many as possible. This one is please practice, because that fractional one is very important in the perspective of the exam. And if it will come, it will be minimum 3 marks, not 2 marks. Minimum 3, or it may be 4 marks as well. Okay, then thank you. Bye bye.